If you're looking for a quality wireless audio system for your films, vlogs, and other projects that won't hurt your budget, then you clicked on the right video because today I'll be sharing 5 reasons why you should buy the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone. Baka magustuhan mo tong mic na to. Baka lang naman. Before we dive into what this wireless microphone can offer, let's check first what comes with the package. We have a USB-C charging cable, a connection cable for your smartphone, a connection cable for your DSLR and mirrorless cameras, a magnetic badge, 2 dead cats, 2 wireless transmitters with a built-in omnidirectional microphone and also has a 3.5mm microphone jack, 1 wireless receiver, and a portable charging box. Now that we've settled that, here are the 5 reasons why I like the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone. First is that this microphone can function as a standalone audio recorder. Yes, you heard it right. The transmitter has a card slot that can support a microSD with a storage of up to 32 gig. Simply insert the card to the transmitter and long press the record button to start recording. To pause, just press the record button once. That's value add for you. Second is apart from getting a portable charging box, the transmitter and the receiver have their own USB-C port so you can charge them separately. Contingency? Check. Good job, LENSGO. Moving on to the third reason, which is its magnetic assembly. This can come in very handy when using metallic boom arms or stands during shoots, so you don't have to look for anything to mount the transmitter onto. Yes, for convenience. Next is the most important reason why I like the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone, which is its audio quality. This mic brags an intelligent noise reduction algorithm. So let's go ahead and test how good this mic is. Right now you're hearing the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone plugged into the Canon M50 camera with an AC unit turned on and a fan turned on the left side as well. So this is a wireless range test of the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone, approaching 10 meters away from the receiver within line of sight. So I'm going to turn around to test the out of sight capability, approaching 20 meters away from the receiver. The wireless range test of the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone, approaching 30 meters away from the receiver within line of sight. And now approaching 40 meters away from the receiver, and the kids are looking at me as I'm crazy. Approaching 50 meters away from the receiver, range test of the LENSGO 348C. Now I'm gonna go 70 meters away within line of sight of the receiver with the kids playing around. So basing it on that range test, the optical distance of this microphone is between 30 to 40 meters within line of sight. On to the last one, and certainly not the least, is the value that you get for your money with this wireless microphone. The LENSGO 348C wireless microphone has 2 variations. The 1v1, where you get 1 receiver and 1 transmitter for only $187 US, and the 1v2, where you get 1 receiver and 2 transmitters for only $250 US. Now that's significantly more affordable and with greater value compared to its competitors, considering that you just don't get a wireless microphone, but you also have an external audio recorder. So that wraps up my thoughts on the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone. To know more about this microphone and their other awesome products, you can check their website at www.lensgo.net or follow them on Facebook at Lensgo Mic and on Instagram at Lensgo Microphone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, press like, leave a comment, and share the video. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.